Hello and welcome to the 5 minutes a day, 30-day yoga challenge with me, Scola, and sometimes Zep. Today we're going to be doing a full body yoga workout. So let's not waste any time and get started on our mat. Go ahead and come to your hands and your knees. Want to lean forward, sit on those toes, roll out your wrists one direction and then the other. Plant your hands, spread those fingers wide, claw the mat. Lean over your wrists with your shoulders, heart is lifted. You can point your toes here and flex, roll the ankles. Nice. Sit back once more, tucking those toes. Wiggle out the wrists. We'll put our hands down, coming into a tabletop position. My wrists are under my shoulders, knees are underneath my hips. I'm going to engage my whole core by lifting my pelvic floor up into my low belly up into my low ribs. Causes this natural rounding here, so I'm going to try and hold on to that as I inhale, lengthen my tailbone and my scalp in the opposite direction. See if this builds some heat for you here. Take a breath in while keeping that core engaged. So it's more of the chest, exhaling out. On your next inhale, lift your left leg, but don't let that belly drop. Keep it tucked in. If it's available to you, go ahead and lift your arm. You don't have to, you can stay here. Both can be done, but on our exhale, we're gonna round forward, knee to nose or knee to elbow. Inhale, open. Exhale. Inhale, open one more time. Inhale, open. Hold here for a breath. Inhale once more. Exhale, lower the hands and the foot. Perfect. Reset that foundation. Engage the core, lengthen out. Take a breath. On your next inhale, lift the opposite leg. Again, keeping the low belly engaged. Opposite arm, only if it's available. Micro bend in the standing elbow here. Exhale, curl. Inhale, open. Exhale, really crunching in, inhale out, exhale, squeeze all those muscles, inhale, open and hold. Staying strong but not locking. Breathe. Inhale once more, exhale, lower the hand and the foot. Perfect, so now I'm going to step my hands a little bit more in front of my shoulders, tuck my toes coming into my plank. Hold here for a breath. On your next inhale, pull those hips back and up for downward dog. Pedal your feet. Remember the alignment. On your next inhale, lift your left leg, but keep the toes turning towards the right so we're not opening our hip here. Take an inhale. Exhale, shift forward so you're coming into that plank position. Bring your knee to your shoulder. Breathe here, inhale. Exhale. Inhale, lengthen. Beautiful. We'll go ahead and lower that leg down. Lift the right foot. Again, hips are square. Exhale, shift forward, knee to shoulder. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. All the way back. Beautiful. Lower that foot down. And then we'll bend our knees halfway, keeping the tailbone lifted, heels are lifted, pressing into your arms. Low belly's engaged. And then inhale, lift up once more. Beautiful. On your next inhale, pick that left leg back up. Exhale, knee to shoulder. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, knee to wrist. Inhale, reach back. Exhale, left knee to right shoulder or elbow. Inhale, lengthen back. Exhale, step that foot down. Inhale, lift the opposite leg. Exhale, right knee to right shoulder. Inhale, back. Exhale, right knee, right wrist. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, right knee, left elbow. Neck is long. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, step that foot down. Bend those knees. Engage that low belly. Neck is reaching back towards the fingertips. pressing into your feet. And then exhale, lower those knees down. Come off of your arms into child's pose, stretching them long. Beautiful, and then we'll inhale, shift forward all the way onto our belly. Take your arms just below your shoulders. Lift your left leg, roll towards that right arm. Just stretching out the shoulders here. Take your breaths. Exhale to center. Inhale, reaching back to the opposite arm now. Exhale to center. Bring those hands underneath the shoulders and then press back child's pose once more, nice and long. Breathe into the upper back, broadening the shoulder blades and into the whole back. And then exhale, slowly sit up. Great, so as you can feel, we really worked our shoulders, our back, as well as our core and some legs. So good job. If you had some trouble, you can always modify as need and just keep coming back until it gets easier and easier. Thank you so much for joining in, and namaste.